So these are our smart inventory or supply spending system. So now we'll show you how it works. So the user will approach the machine. She will identify herself. In this case, she's using card access. So upon identifying herself, granted access, she can open the system and retrieve items that she wants to take out. So in this case, she took out a green tea and a boat. As you can see, the system correctly captures the amount. So how it works is that it's basically using a load cell, a weighing load cell system to record the weight. You can also pick up multiple items and it will be tracked as well. So in the event that the user actually returns or put the items in the wrong locations, the system will be aware of it and there will be an error shown on the screen. So that's how the inventory management system works.